Want to attract Japanese women? Here's a surprising secret. A study found that 73.6% of attractive men have one skill in common: cooking. Yes, Japanese women find men who can cook incredibly attractive. Let's break down why this skill makes you stand out. Why does cooking make you more attractive to Japanese women? In Japan, many women appreciate men who can take care of themselves and help in the kitchen. It shows responsibility and independence. It's linked to creativity and effort, both highly valued in Japan. It challenges outdated gender roles, making you stand out. In short, a man who can cook isn't just seen as a great partner, he's seen as a keeper. Think about it. In Japan, food is a huge part of culture and relationships. Why does cooking help build attraction? It makes dates more personal and memorable. It shows effort. Japanese women love when a man puts in effort. It creates an emotional bond. Sharing food brings people closer. Bonus tip: if you can cook Japanese dishes, you'll impress her even more. Want to win her heart? Start by learning a few simple dishes. Easy meals to impress. Japanese-style omelet, tamagoyaki, a simple miso soup. Homemade sushi rolls. You don't need to be a professional chef. Just knowing the basics shows that you care. So, if you want to attract Japanese women, pick up a frying pan instead of just a dating app. What's one dish you'd like to learn? Comment below. Like and subscribe for more dating hacks. Thank you very much.